Hi, my name is Sanji. I'm 8 years old. I'm from Angle, Singapore, Nakhon Ratchasima. So my project's name is the number game, as you see here. And now I'll put you in the game now, and I'll tell you how to play the game. So, kill the king for gold. Welcome, you have been captured by the king's knight. You must take revenge. Now's your chance. Here's some hints to guess the correct number to stab the king. If you guess the wrong number, you get arrested. If the number is lower, if the number is higher, the king will look at you and you will have to run away. Guess 1 to 10. You know the rules. Good luck. I'll just enter my name. Enter, choose the number. 5. Oh, not too high. So let me choose 3. Okay, I'm the winner now. So that's how the game works. Now here, let me explain the code. So import random is to import the random emoticon. Print is to print statement, display the game stories, instructions, and game results to the player. Variable. Players a variable, and a variable is used to store data such as player's name, secret number, guess, or attempt count. Input is to input the prisoner's name here, and this input is to let the prisoner guess the number they choose. So secret number is a variable, attempt is a variable, and it's used to count the attempts of the players, and guess is a variable, is used to count the number of guesses of the player. While loop is to control the game and allow the player to guess up to 3 times. Random ranint is a Python function used to generate a random integer number. Down here we have if. If you guess higher than the secret number, print is too high, oh no, the king's looking at you. You better guess the number before he guesses you. Else, if the number is too low, the king's sending some cards. You get arrested if you don't guess the correct number. And there's the other if, is the result. If you guess the same as secret number, you win, but else you lose. Like here, you see? Yeah, else you lose. Yeah, you're dead. And I use some ASCII art on here so you can see this and this. And thanks for player. Hope you enjoy player. So the player's name is the player's name that you input from the first one. Bye. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed.